Hi, my name is Shreyas Sir, and this is my website. So I just want to show you one thing that I have made few integration questions ka page. So this is my website. I'll give the website link in the video description. Just see over here. I've been teaching integration for class 12th commerce students, and they asked me that the questions they look similar. So they asked me to club the questions. So in this website, just go at the bottom page, and if you click on this link and also bottom link, you'll see that I've arranged all the questions type wise. So first type is basic direct integration. You have to apply standard formulas. Then you have to rationalize, splitting the middle term, substitution method. Then whatever is in root, just put as t. And there are many things over here in this website. So if you just see this website properly, you will see which kind of sums, how to do which kind of sum. So this will be a practice for you. And in every sum, there's some hint given. So you can see how to solve these questions, and I think everything is covered over here. Also, there's at the end we'll see how to identify the method. So over here, just go through this part, and you will see for which kind of question you have to do which kind of method. In definite integration, again I've arranged the questions. The first is basic evaluation. Then there are certain questions like find the value of a. They will tell you either find the upper limit or lower limit, or find a in the equation. Then there's prove that sum, completing the square sums, and many parts are there. So just go through this website, and in bottom over here there are 8 properties of definite integration. So go through it, and again in every question there is hint given. So go through the hint, and at bottom, at bottom you can see how to identify the type. So every type, every question ka hint is given, and there are some standard results. So this will be very easy for you in the exam. So if you like my work, please share this video to your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.